In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed in Canva. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find the embed option, how to set it up, and what to look out for, so everything works smoothly in your design. First, open the design you want to work on in Canva. This could be a presentation, a social media post, a website layout, or any other format. Once your design is open and fully loaded, look to the left-hand side of your screen. This is your main toolbar where you normally see elements like templates, elements, text, and so on. In that same area, you'll find an option labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on Apps. This opens Canva's App Marketplace, which is essentially a collection of integrations and extra tools you can plug into your design. Because there are many apps here, the easiest way to find what you need is to use the search bar at the top of this panel. In the search bar, start typing the word Embed. You don't have to type the whole word perfectly for Canva to recognize it, but make sure you're close so the right app appears. As you type, Canva will filter the available apps and you should see an option called Embed show up in the results. When you see the Embed app, click on it. This opens a new panel or pop-up on the side of your screen. This is where you'll be able to paste links or embed codes depending on what type of content you want to bring into your design. For example, you might be embedding a website, an interactive prototype, a video from a supported platform, or other web-based content. Once the Embed app is open, simply follow the on-screen prompts Canva provides. Usually this means pasting a link or embed code into the box that appears, then confirming or clicking a button like Add to Design or Embed. Canva may show you a quick preview so you can check that the link is valid and that the content looks right before it's inserted. If the link doesn't work, double check that it's from a supported site and that you copied the full URL or embed code. After you confirm everything, Canva will insert the embedded content directly into your design, where you can resize and reposition it like any other element, and that's all you need to do. By clicking on Apps, searching for Embed, selecting the Embed app, and following the on-screen instructions, you can easily bring interactive, web-based content into your Canva projects.